How do you navigate after-school programs without any physical schools open? It's something that community-based organizations across Canada have had to figure out, and quick, as the pandemic has left some students without the vital tools needed to thrive in a virtual world. These organizations have stepped in. Amanda Wanjero logs on to virtual learning for two reasons. Once for school and later on in the day to participate in Generation Chosen, one of the many after-school programs that transitioned online during the pandemic.
I'd say these after-school programs are important to students in general because they help you gain more experiences.
To address a drop in enrollment due to the pandemic, the Jane and Finch organization is heavily focusing on frontline workers doing outreach work in the community, saying so many youth are depending on supports.
We're going to have to develop our staff in a way where we're going to have more people because there's going to be so many youth that just want that connection. They're going to yearn for that connection. They're going to yearn for that feeling of love.
The closure of schools in some cases has meant students losing access to food programs, technology, and in some cases, transportation, bare essentials.
If we cannot address the basic fundamentals such as education, then how can they respond to other life needs?
That's where community organizations such as Pathways for Education and their partners stepped in. The domino effect of the pandemic can be felt heavily at the Regent Park Community Health Centre, which provides educational, career, and a variety of other programs and services to youth from low-income communities.
We know that COVID-19 has had a very pervasive impact on the lives of racialized community members.
6,000 students across Canada participate in Pathways to Education. In addition to providing access to technology for virtual learning, the organization also developed a low-bandwidth video platform.
So that regardless of our current situation, we can make sure that we're keeping students connected to each other and connected to their education.
These organizations offer critical supports to students living in communities that have significant disadvantages and who don't always have the same opportunities as their classmates.
There's over 300,000 students across Canada who are living in poverty who could benefit from a program like this. And the pandemic has put those students furthest away from opportunity.
Last year, the Regent Park Community Health Centre carried out a needs assessment where respondents said that the mental health of students was one of the areas of concern that parents had. This is something that is being addressed in programming that is being delivered by community organizations. In Toronto's Regent Park community, I'm Faiza Amin for City News.